So today I have a tutorial video for you guys today. So today I'm going to show you guys how to properly remove wax from your apples. This step is necessarily if you're going to make candy apples for whatever occasion or whatever event. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. To start off, I have a pot and it's just water in here. I don't have anything else in here, so I'm gonna bring my water to a boil. Here I have my apples, and over here I have a dish towel I'm going to lay my apples on after I get done dipping them. So while our water is boiling, you just want to take the stickers off your apples if they have stickers, and you want to take the stem out of them as much as you can. So while I'm doing that and while the water is boiling, I'll be back. Our apples have came to, no, I'm sorry, our water has came to a hard boil. So now we're just going to turn the eye off, and you want to drop your apples in there. I say do a few at a time. So you want them to stand at like 3 to 4 seconds. So 1, 2, 3. You want to make sure they get covered like all the way around. And you just take them out. And I'm just going to place them on my kitchen towel that I have over there. 1, 2, 3. So 3 to 4 seconds per apple. Drop this one in there. Drop this one in there. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just make sure it gets coated really good all the way around. And take it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop the other ones in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. And our last apple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Scoop. So this is our apples on our just a dish towel I have here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each apple. As you can see, it's not shiny anymore. I'm going to take each apple and I'm just going to wipe the water off of it. And doing this process with doing apples, you want them to sit for 24 to 48 hours. And that is because although the wax is not on it, apples have natural juices. So with that being said, I think we will consider like nectar. So although we boil the apples, once the apples sit, the natural juices, the nectar, will come out of the apple. So with that being said, that will cause your air bubbles in your apples. So with that, that's why you want to allow them to sit to get that the nectar out of them. But this is what they look like. They not that shiny as they was before. They're really smooth, still kind of warm, but they are dry completely. And with this technique, it doesn't it still makes the apple firm. As you can see, the apple is still firm. It's not hard and mushy. So boiling the apple, putting the apples in boiling water, is not going to change the texture of the apples. None whatsoever. It just gets the wax off. So I'm just going to allow my 7 apples here to sit for 24 hours. Our apples has sat for 24 hours. So what I was telling you earlier in the video, how when they set that nectar, it comes out. So I'm gonna zoom in so you can see. It's the little specks of shiny stuff here. That's the nectar that it came out of. You see, it's wet looking and it's sticky. So all of them has it. That stuff right there will cause your apples, let me see, can I get one? Will cause your apples to have air bubbles in it. So that's why it's important. You see? That's why it's important to remove the wax. So this is an apple with wax. Same apple, same Granny Smith apple. Just one is with wax and one is without wax. See the difference? Just wax is to preserve the shelf life of an apple. That's all. So now, before you able to go on to dip your candy apples, you have to just take a damp paper towel and just wipe it completely. Then use another dry paper towel just to make sure it's dry. I have wiped my apples down, got all the nectar off of them, dried them really good so that I can get them ready for dipping. But I wanted to show you guys, like, they're still firm, they're still hard. Like, the boiling process did not make them soft or, you know, rotten. You know, they're still got that crunch to them once you bite into them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this tutorial video of how to properly remove wax from your apples. This video is simple, easy, and it's pretty quick. There are many videos out there of how to remove wax from apples, but this just seems to be the most efficient way for me. So this is the one I stick to. Like I said, it's others out there that you may see, but if you do so happen to try this video out, you can just comment below, let me know what you thought of it. Or if you have a way of how you remove your wax from your apples, also comment below and let me know. You know, maybe something that I'm interested in trying to see, does it work for me. But anyways, until the next time, until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.